channel. And my name is Mac. So I am in the servers and again and over there. So ito si ano si Jam Ram tawag dito si Brock Brokai, tapos ito naman si Sakor, tapos dito si Sammy, tapos dito si Jandel. Ito po, sino kaya to? Ay si ano, si Merry Christmas. Ano Jacob? Ano Jacob? Ano ang gawa ni Jacob? Can I color my hair, please? Because it's rainbow. I like blue. Can you color please? Is that number? Whoa, my hair is cool. My hair is cool, guys. Can you see it? Can you see my eyes? I look mystery. Because my name is Mr. Regino. Miss Gino. Where's Rumi? Where's Rumi? What? Where's Rumi? I need to see. Oh, I am in 11. Okay. Who's joined me? Who's that? Who's that? Who's joined me, guys? I want to grab my house. Let me color some cool. Yeah, that's cool. Ouch. Huh? Oh, come on. Double up by door. So, my room is literally dirty. And I will finish this now. Let's check in my bag. Yung naglilinis. Oh, this one. Let's try it. My room. Ay, wait, I see. Ay! And who's join me again? Next, in here. Wait, what's this? What's this? Oh, yeah, I'm Gino. Why is it? I'm in the back room. Next room. And okay now. And done. So let's come to the party. Woo, she's Mr. Gino. Hello. No, my name is Miss Gino. Miss Gino? You're a boy. You are not a girl. Dapat, Mr. Gino. Yeah. Hello, Mr. Gino. And I invite you in concert. Hey, Mr. Gino. Let's go in a concert. Wait. Okay. Wala pang concert. Bukas pa. Then, Gina.
Bukas pa nga yun, yung concert.
Tignan mo, ang ganda yung... Tignan mo, ang ganda ba na ako, car?
Yeah!
Let's go, let's go.
Look. Wait.
Ikaw mag-drive.
Wait. Look.
Goodbye. Ah! Yaw marunong.
Look my car.
Why so
Yung car
tiny?
ko.
Why so tiny?
Okay lang yan.
Ba't may car there?
Papakita ko sa'yo kung saan tayo magpo-concert. Wait lang guys. Sino mo baka mawala? Wait lang, kasi.
Ha? Oh. Hey, get out of here! Get out! Get out! Oh, why so noisy? Why so noisy? Why so noisy? Oh. What? Surrender. No! Hey, why are you laughing, mommy?
So, let's start na to guys. Hey, Mr. Dino. Malapit tayo. Mali ate yung picture mo natin. Mali ata yung navigation natin. Wait lang.
Balik tayo. Ayun ba yung bahay mo, color pink?
But I like purple. Pero, ayan, ipapalit ko pa yan.
Deble!
Ipapapintura ko pa yan. Ayun?
Natulog ba? Good morning, Lumi.
No.
Ay, natulog pa ako. Kanina yan ang car.
Akin.
That's for me!
Wala, sa'yo yan. Pinatin niya. It's okay.
Wait. We are back in the house.
Yeah. Hindi kasi.
There!
Yan.
There!
Ano tayo? Ayan na. Doon tayo.
Inside lang.
Ako naman nag-isip.
Ba't yung buhok na dito? Yung buhok ko na sa labas. At ang init! Ang init! Ari! Yun, nawala na.
Talaga. Buksan mo yung aircon.
Shit! My teacher called me Dino. That's right. That's my name. Oh, no! Hindi mo alam kung paano mag-drive, Rumi. At nagbalik tayo sa bahay.
Bakit hindi ko makita?
Sabi ko na nga ba yun? At yan! This is the house. And what? I am too tired now. I will go teleport in my house and stop it. Where? Is that Jacob? Dad, running over there.
Oh! Yan. Yan tayo magpo-content.
Why bukas?
Bukas daw, sabi ko.
I will shot you.
Hindi. Oh!
Mm. What's that noise?
Ayun, cycle.
Bro.
Ito na ang house natin.
No. This is not our house.
Sa akin yan. This is yung house natin.
I will teleport.
So guys, I will teleport.
We. Yep. I'm teleport now.
So, Mr. Dino,
What?
mag-skip ka na kasi aga yung concert natin.
Okay.
So,
So you are loser.
ah! Nakakainis!
Bakit Ruby?
Pag-clean.
Huh? Hindi. Oh. It's so small. I want bigger. Oh, here. Hmm. Guys.